Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings on the Disney Speedstorm game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Disney Speedstorm on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, after completing the basic tutorial levels, you can click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will now take you into the settings page where you will see the camera and display as well as advanced graphics option. Click on cameras and display first, and here you can change your resolution as well as resolution scale. Make sure your frame rate limit is set to uncapped, and if you notice any screen tears within your game, turn on VSync as well. Now go back and click on advanced graphics, and you will see the various different presets that you can change. By default, your quality preset will be set to auto. You can cycle through this to switch between the various presets. There are the low, the medium, the high and the ultra preset. You can also use your customized preset from the custom menu. Try using the ultra or the highest preset first, and after choosing this, press escape, and you will need to restart your game to apply the changes. After restarting, go ahead and play a match and see how your game feels. If you don't notice any issues and your game is working fine, then you don't need to make any further changes. Otherwise, you will need to go back into the advanced graphics page and try reducing the quality preset by one more step. You can also manually decrease the more taxing options, such as the SSR, the shadow quality, and the resolution, as well as bloom and dynamic lighting. You can also try reducing anti-aliasing by one more step to get more performance from your device. Then restart your game and play a match once again. And by following this method, you can achieve the stable balance of performance and quality within your game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Disney Speedstorm game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.